Welcome to Autoverse Reviews. Today, we explore the 2027 Lexus RCF, a bold blend of luxury, performance, and aggressive styling that continues to challenge German rivals in the sports coupe segment. The 2027 RCF receives a subtle but impactful design refresh. The signature spindle grille is now more streamlined, flanked by slimmer triple-beam LED headlights. The hood is sculpted for aerodynamics, while the wider fenders and rear diffuser add a menacing presence. New wheel designs and exclusive color options, including solar flare orange and ultrasonic blue Mica 3.0, ensure this car turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, Lexus retains its legendary naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, delivering 479 horsepower and 398 pounds-ft of torque. Mated to an updated 8-speed automatic transmission, the RCF sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. For 2027, the RCF gets revised engine tuning, improved throttle response, and a more aggressive exhaust note that growls with authority. Handling gets a boost from retuned adaptive suspension, lighter forged alloy wheels, and stickier Michelin Pilot Sport for S tires. The result is sharper cornering and better high-speed stability. The optional Track Edition package adds carbon ceramic brakes, a carbon fiber hood, roof, and rear wing, reducing weight and maximizing performance for track enthusiasts. Step inside. The cabin continues Lexus' tradition of premium craftsmanship. Alcantara and leather surfaces dominate, with contrast stitching and carbon fiber trim accenting the sporty interior. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, while the latest Lexus Interface infotainment system offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The Mark Levinson 17 speakers surround sound system provides Conta-quality audio, heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a redesigned center console with haptic controls ensure comfort and convenience meet performance. On the safety front, Lexus equips the RCF with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and road sign assist. New for 2027 is Proactive Driving Assist, which gently adjusts steering and braking for smoother driving in traffic. Pricing for the 2027 Lexus RCF starts around $71,000, while the Track Edition can go beyond $90,000. With its sharp looks, V8 power, luxurious interior, and daily usability, the RCF remains a rare breed in today's market, a naturally aspirated, rear-wheel drive coupe with true enthusiast appeal. So, is the 2027 Lexus RCF the last of its kind, or a modern muscle coupe reborn for a new era? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Autoverse Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium car content.